I'm on my way to GSG to grab a few supplies. It's back to the shop. We got a lot on the schedule today, and we'll show you what's going on around the shop. Stay tuned. What's going on in here?
We're rocking out.
It looks like a little bit of a party.
Okay, then it's a party. Then it's a party.
I got music playing and everything. Alright, so I am back from GSG. We've got a pretty cool print set up here. I think it looks pretty awesome. I'll show you what colors we have involved. Mario's already got things going. Got the shirts all sorted out. About 48 shirts. And we'll show you everything that's involved. So we got our white base going down, hitting that with 2 strokes for different folks. We're flashing it. Got the flattening screen going here, and then we have black. I know that we have some black shirts here, but we do have color shirts as well. Also, the black is acting to kind of darken some of these colors. And then we've got a red going down. I believe we're working with, let's see what meshes we have here. So we got 230s pretty much all the way around. Yeah, this is a 230 as well. I think Mario found some pinholes or something. But we got golden yellow here. We've got green. Got a highlight white. This was from yesterday. Yeah, some metallic ink. Mario's gonna be YouTube famous. Need some help taping those off?
Nah, good.
Where's it at? Right here in the middle?
Yeah.
All right.
On a great shirt.
So I'll show you how the print comes out once he's finished with that, but let me show you some of the other things that we printed yesterday. A lot of this is clothing line stuff, some pretty cool stuff. So we've run into a little bit of an issue because we've got some black shirts with the black text going down. So I think what we're gonna do is do vinyl for those because we've already got everything set up and we need to move on to other jobs. No big deal. All right, where was I at? So here's some shirts that we did yesterday that we just need to box up. Got a bunch of different colors here. The tags and the back print has, it might be hard to see. If I can get this thing out. All right, there we go. But we have a metallic silver ink, which you saw in the screen over there, and then white. We basically did this print on both of these, flashed both of them, printed them again. Let's see if we can get a little bit of an effect here in the sunlight. Camera never picks it up very well, but that's that. And then one of Michelle's favorites. Here's the front of it. We did the black ones with white, so we did an ink color change. Pretty neat little graphic. Another clothing line. This one did not have a tag, but I need to get to catching these shirts and doing a little bit of blowing out. And we'll move forward and I'll set up the camera for a little bit of capturing what the press is doing over here. we're all finished with that. We're about to work on another order. All these startup apparel lines are some pretty small orders, but I'll show you what they look like once we get all finished. Pretty simple stuff. One color, got a color change, got a little print that's gonna go. You like that? Look at that. Look at that, my shirt's soaked. It's still hot, but a little print that's gonna go on this red shirt. Down on the right hand side, we're gonna get after it. Mario's kicking it off. Pretty simple. Gonna do a print flash print. But let's see what Apollo's up to, because Apollo's got him a new little girlfriend. And he brings her test prints. Apollo! Down hop lady! There we go. Just gonna print it, flash it, and we're just letting these come back around, Mario. Is that what we're doing? And these are going down on some Champion shirts. There you go, a little Champion logo there. Pretty simple stuff. Flashing it, hitting it with the flattening screen. Looks like it could be flashed maybe just a little longer, but that's alright. Make for a nice flat print. Then we got these here, which will have gonna do a color change and do these black. Real simple stuff. Shannon, what's that?
What? Secret.
Yeah. Ow! That was my feet! That's what that was! Ow!
That's Mario's Gatorade.
Yeah, well, don't worry, my feet cushion, my toe cushion the blow.
Is the Gatorade okay?
The Gatorade's fine, it landed on my feet.
My Gatorade.
Shaking up your Gatorade.
It's not carbonated.
You still shook up the Gatorade.
I did not, my foot
And
made
now
it.
you dropped the man's banana.
It has a peel!
You done bruised his banana.
I think it's fine, it's already bruised.
How do you know his banana's bruised?
Because it's squishy.
Alright, so let's get this party started.
All common.
Mario's bruised banana squishy.
I feel like I need to put
So
this
this
down.
is the last of. Put the man's banana down. Jeez.
Seriously?
Y'all see what I gotta do with here? Oh my lord. Mario's got a little registration tip for you. You want to explain it, Mario, in Espanol?
Comprende.
No comprende. Agarra un screeno. Hung a tape.
You better delete that part.
So he put basically what he did is he put a piece of tape down so that way he can see you can see the pallets are starting to get pretty fuzzy. Just helps so you can see things. There it is right there. Screen printing hack right there. That'll have to be a video. All the screen printing hacks. Just in case you're wondering how the weed shirts turned out, they came out pretty awesome. I think we nailed it. We got to do another version of this that's scaled down a little bit. These are for a bunch of 3XLs, 5XLs, so XL all the way up to the 5XL. It's got some pretty nice details in it. Came out pretty awesome. ¿Qué pasó, Mario? ¿Qué pasó? Here's the kind of stuff that happens where we'll see if we can't clean this up and make it work. Damn it, Mario! It's like, I think we can get it. I think we can get it. Let's see here.
Look at this.
We'll try.
Hey, no. Stay.
He's got food on his nose.
Yeah, where Pringles at? Stay. Is that a truck? Here. Okay. Around. Phone board.
It was turning out okay, and then Mario had to come and stick his dirty fingers on it. Woo, okay, you got it. So the Y and the L start filling up, but I'm gonna let Mario work his magic, leave him alone, and he's gonna come back and show me some amazing results.
Give me 1 second, I will.
I hope. Are you gonna eat that?
I was actually just looking at that, wondering how it dissolved into
Between
that.
you and Mario, there's like half a bag of Cheetos or Doritos spilled behind the refrigerator.
That's not me. I wouldn't eat them.
We have mouse traps showing up tomorrow.
There better be live catch.
No, they're the rat zapper.
We're gonna have a conversation.
They're live capture.
Okay.
But
Yes.
ladies and gentlemen, this is why
Would you stop?
we've got mice.
It's not why we have mice.
Oh, horse shit! Y'all leave that stuff laying around. Hold on.
It's kind of like,
Hi, what you doing over there?
When his break shift thingy went out, and
Can I
then
have
6
one of
months
those chips?
later, like he's blaming me for it.
That's Mario's daughter.
Oh my god.
We're not gonna say her name because she's young.
You forgot
That
it.
doesn't need to be up. No, I know what it is.
Really?
It's like Corel Draw, but with an A.
That is so defeating the purpose.
Here's what Mitchell's working on.
Charge it.
Stop calling her that.
Michelle. She already said it's okay.
I say it's not.
Ooh, that looks awesome.
It's
I like
a
that.
treat.
I like that better than the. Yes, exactly. I like this better than the red one. But then put the apples in there, so it makes it kind of.
Ow.
We have an order for 400 pizzas.
I couldn't eat that much.
Delicious.
Ugh. I could do 4 slices, but not 400 pizzas. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. Oh, is that the registration? Just a little off. Oh, you're just gonna do the Y. Are you gonna do the Y by hand?
The L and the Y.
Yeah. You're gonna do it by hand? Okay. So Mario's gonna show you how to manually print on an automatic. It's a little trick I taught him. Is it or is it not?
No.
Oh, so you've printed manually on an automatic before?
Yes, sir.
Oh, hush. All right, now you gotta flash it. I don't think that's gonna work. I mean, the print's gonna work fine, but you gotta get it a little further over.
Hold up, what are you talking about? I know it's gonna work.
There we go. Nah, it looks like it's working so far. Just gotta flash it. All right, here we go. Here we go. I told you, man. This is why they call you Mario the Magnificent.
Face was stuck.
Yeah, I think it looks fine. I don't know, it's up to you, man. I think it looks fine. I mean, obviously you can tell it's not as stacked up, but it's bright. It's a bright white. Good job. Thanks for tuning in, gang. We really appreciate it. Today was a lot of fun. We got a lot of things done. Mario brought his daughter in which she is very artistic, and I thought it was great for her to kind of see how things work around here. And the girls were able to kind of nurture her creative, artistic side. So I think that was pretty awesome. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, say hello, or leave a comment down below. Until next time, we'll see you later.